Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I have more cases for your Galaxy S22 Ultra from Ringke. But before I get into this review, check this out. Okay everyone, so I'm back with another video today. Yes, I have more cases for your Galaxy S22 Ultra. This time they are from Ringke. They sent me out their Fusion cases, so I'm gonna go ahead and review these 4 cases today. And it looks like they have actually a new Fusion case, which is pretty cool. I will show y'all that in a moment. Again, I need to give a shout out to Ringke for sending them to me for a review. Ringke makes some of my favorite cases like the Fusion X, also the Fusion cases, and then the Onyx case that they make are some of my favorite cases out there. So let's get into it. Let's see what they sent me this time. This is the Fusion card. This is the one I'm gonna take a look at because it looks like it has like a card slot, like a credit card or ID slot, but it's a Fusion case. Then this one is the Fusion Matte Clear. One of my favorites too because the back is clear, matted, so it doesn't track as much fingerprints. Then this is just a Fusion Clear. And then this one is the Fusion Smoke. So let's start off with the card case first. Again, nice packaging from them. Live a better day. You can follow them there. Actually, just read that there. Just bam. Or if you want to go to their website, ringke.com. Now you can get these cases from Amazon. I will have the links in the description. So here you get the little Ringke book. Then it tells you to take off the plastic, which we will do. But look at this, y'all. Now maybe they could, that back is matted there, but the sides are not. And look, it doesn't flex that much. So you put your cards in from this side and then just push them out from that side. Man, this is gonna show off the beauty of that burgundy color. Oh, yes indeed. Look at that. Do you get some camera protection? Yes, you do. How about the lip action? Yes, you get some. I mean, is it the most you ever seen though? The cutouts at the bottom line up. The pen is easy to get out again. As long as you have some fingernails, anything that's fingernails is easy to get out. Let's see, does it rock? It does rock a little bit because you have the wallet thing on there. So I don't know if that's a big deal for anybody. Let's test out the power button. Power button, wow. Oh, I keep on pressing YouTube. So the power button is easy to get to. The vine rockers are easy to press. The power button is ridged too, as you can tell there. Now on the overall fit, that's pretty snug. The sides are snug too. Man, does it add much bulk? No, it does not add much bulk. And like I said, I like that card slot. It looks like you could probably fit 1 or 2 cards in there and not have an issue. Can your wallets charge with this? You already know. You can wireless charge with it, not a problem. So I'm gonna move on to the matte and we can review that one and go over it too. Watch how, see, it's not hard to even get off of here either. So yeah, this case is nice. So in the packaging, you get the same type of thing, and then you also have that plastic. I love how they put the little pull tabs here. It makes it a whole lot easier. They should do that on the Fusion X camo. Now in this one, it will show off your beauty of your device, but it won't show off fingerprints on the case itself, not as much. So this one, look at that. It mats it out. The cutouts line up. The fit is gonna be the same. I mean, you're gonna have the same type of lip action, same type of camera protection in the back. The holes in everything line up, the cutouts, I mean. And then at the top too, I don't know if that showed that off on the other one. Now the only difference on this one, you won't rock. It does have the ridge power button. I'm glad that they do that on the phone. It's easier to find that way. I'm glad they do that on all their cases now. That was a good upgrade. You have some Ringke brand in there. The fit is going to be the same. And can you wireless charge? I'm going to do it on this one, but not on the other two. Yes, you can wireless charge. Let's just take out the clear one and also the smoke black one so we can just get an idea of how it looks on my phone. All right, so this is the smoke one. And I like this look at this case too. So it gives it a little bit darker look on this back. Doesn't have much bulk, just like the other ones. But yeah, this is a nice case too. So let's take off this one and I'm gonna show you the Fusion Clear. Like I said, they're gonna fit all the same. They made the same. All the Fusion cases, just different colors. And I love how snug it is too. And it doesn't take that much to get off, but it doesn't come off the phone that hard either. That easy. So here's the Fusion Clear, and look at that. It shows off the beauty of your phone. Cutouts line up. Man, I like this one too. I'm probably rocking with every one. I can change out my case daily if I wanted to. But what y'all think? Which one was your favorite? I like this one, but that one looks pretty good. This one is probably one of my favorites, is the clear one. But even new to the game is the wallet one. So that one's pretty cool too. Y'all let me know which one y'all would pick up. Like I said, if you want to pick them up, the links will be in the description. Just go look down there. I will have the links to each one. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the Galaxy S22 Ultra. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at Forrest Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out.